Nike is one of the most famous brands in the world, which is known for its famous swoosh logo and slogan, "Just Do It." But have you ever thought how this global star became? Today we will take a look at how Nike's attractive history and its beginning happened. In the 1960s, two people, Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight, had a common goal: to help runners to perform better. They were both athletes, and they believed that they can make their performance better with the right shoes. This common vision created Blue Ribbon Sports in 1964, in which Knight and Bowerman were the designers. Their goal was to provide high-quality, affordable, and innovative shoes for athletes. Inspired by the Greek god of victory in 1971, Nike's logo design was designed by a graphic design student, Carolyn Davidson, for only $2,500. The first shoe named Nike was also made in 1971, Moon Shoe, which had a unique waffle pattern on the sole for better traction. This design was revolutionary at that time, and it laid the foundation for Nike's future success. In 1985, Nike signed a new basketball player named Michael Jordan on the shoe contract and took a bold step. As a result of this partnership, Air Jordan shoe line was formed, which is still one of the most popular and profitable shoe brands. With the slogan "Just Do It," Nike has become much more than a shoe company. It has become a brand that represents determination, hard work, and breaking boundaries. It raised the voice with people all over the world and helped Nike to become a domestic name. So friends, just do it and subscribe it to Deetinfos.